Today we're gonna look at this server box, which I already changed the motherboard in. And we're gonna have a look whether we can get it running some Linux. Now, what is this? First of all, we've got a 2 TB drive here, which will go in the front, which I can show you. Oh my god. This is painful. Unlock that, please. Thank you. So, water. We have 12 drive bays. This was not well planned. We have 12 drive bays here. And one of them will house my 2 TB drive as a proof of concept. And yeah, what else? 16 GB of RAM. I think 16 GB. Yeah, this is 2 times 8. Who pinged me? Okay. 2 times 8 GB of RAM. This is my boot drive. It's a very high quality boot drive. I just hope it works. If my camera were to focus, it would look even better. It's on continuous. Very rude of the camera. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Okay, we're setting a focus point here manually. Yes, that. And focus. Yes. So this is my boot drive. It's a, I think it's a Kioxia. It is. It's a Kioxia something 512 GB something. This was on my laptop. It's not on my laptop anymore, evidently. So that's going to be used. A very modern GeForce 9400 GT by EVGA. This is probably the best component. It's just a display adapter, don't worry. And yeah, that's what I haven't put inside. Matter of fact, the RAM stick has not been inside of device I control. So what's inside, you may ask? That sounded not good. There is cables. Let's put that away. Okay. What's inside here? SATA cables. 12 of them. Fans. 4 of them. I might add it's very loud fans. Obnoxiously loud. So I'm thinking about not having these in there in the end. There's 3 power supplies. Oh, right, they're locked in. I won't show you the 3 power supplies, but they're 350 watts each. I have no idea how the redundancy works on them, but it works. Like if we plug it in without all 3 connectors, it beeps very, very, very loudly. I'll adjust the camera, like the side cam, this cam. What else? Yeah, we've got a floppy drive and a DVD drive with ATA. They're not gonna be used, obviously. We've got this motherboard. This is probably the most interesting thing. This is like a AMD Zen 4 Hi Regnit. This is an AM4 motherboard. with a Ryzen 1200, I believe. So it's really high end. Not. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get my screwdriver. I just found 2 screws from my laptop, which is always good. So, where did we begin? I'm not gonna change the CPU today, or ever. We have the RAM to install, we've got the SSD to install. The issue is I don't think I have the screw for the SSD, so we're gonna do it creatively and just let it dangle. What is the goal of today? I have to set a goal. I want this computer to boot. I maybe want to install Linux, but first and foremost I want to boot. So, let's start by installing the SSD. I don't recommend this, but it should make contact like this. Should be fine. You don't rattle it around and like it's a server, it's never moving again. Next, I'll put in the graphics card. If you can call it a graphics card at all. And we'll put this I/O shield or PCIe shield, whatever it's called, here. Helps when you put the screwdriver in the right direction. Screw that in. Put in the graphics card. Building computers is really easy. I say, completely failing to put in the graphics card. Okay, there we go. That's in. We need a screw. I have found a screw. Okay. RAM. Which way around does it go? This way around. So we shall put in the RAM. We have to unlock the RAM slots first, then we can put in the RAM. I'll see if I have a screw. There's a fun little packet that came with the server called screws. It says screws on it. You can't see that. You have to trust me, it says screws on it. And there are, oh my god, there's so many screws in there. Does anyone see a screw that will fit? I do not. Oh my. These are all too large. These are for the hard drives. For the hard drive cages. Oh no! It flew away. Ah, fuck. This won't fit. I can tell that it won't fit. No way in hell. Alright. So that's the hard drive screws. Good that I took them out. Let's just see if it boots. What can go wrong? Plug in the DVI here. And it just... Oh, it's missing a standoff. Interesting. Okay, so everyone, I have to kill something. Anyways, everyone, beware, it's gonna be loud. I lost my boot drive. There it is. So, if you come any closer, you might actually be murdered. We have that plugged in, we need a keyboard plugged in, so we can navigate the BIOS. Okay, we'll switch to this camera pointed at the screen because I can't record it. Oh my god, you're never gonna believe this. Doesn't want to. Okay, so let's focus on this. Okay, we're not closing down the thingamajig. So, yeah, let's just turn it on, I guess. And don't worry, I have all 3 power supplies plugged in. I'm careful like that. I'm not careful enough to put on the plate. Because there's some really fast spams, which you'll hear very soon if I can find the... Oh my god, that beeped. Well, it's on. Did it detect it? Oh my god, it works. Look at that. New CPU installed. Press Y to reset if you have BitLocker. Sure, let's press yes. I need to get into the boot menu. Can I have my microphone a little bit closer? I hope I'm not screaming too loudly. F11, alright. Hey data. Look at that. Just like works. That's wild. No! Why are you not booting? Oh, there it is. Okay, you can't see shit. It looks pretty, but you can't see shit. Ah. That'll have to be enough. Let's turn it down. That's better. So, we want to install Arch Linux in normal mode. So yeah, we're booting into Linux. That was way easier than I thought it would be. Could you stop trying to focus on stuff when you're not focusing on stuff? Alright. Yeah, Linux is booting, it's like completely adequate. Let's start with the most important thing. Neofetch. Not found. Pacman. Minus SY. SUY. Neofetch. Oh, right. We don't have internet. Okay, we are deleting the root positions here. I need to do that. Maybe that improves the legibility of the display. Come on, you have other things to focus on. Thank you. Yeah, this is really not that loud anymore. I thought it would be louder. It's blowing air, so it's doing something. fdisk/def /nvme0n1 m. The most important thing ever. I want to create a new GPT boot partition. Okay, now we want to list the... Oh, that's the wrong thing. List known partition types as free partition spaces, print a partition table. Nothing. That's cool. So, add a new partition. 1. Yes. All the way. Yes. Right. And there we go. That's cool. We just deleted whatever was on that drive, which I don't think was important. So let's Arch install. Because I'm not smart enough to install Arch myself, I will use Arch install. Mirrors were not reachable. Okay, we really do need a network connectivity, which means I need to find a network cable that's long enough. One moment, please. Oh my god. Yeah, you don't see the bottom of my screen. Oh my god, it's... Here we go. That's better. That's more useful. Anyways, where was I? Oh, right. Network cable. Be right back. Alright. I sure hope I don't dox my IP address or something. Okay. It's blinking. Pacman-SU. SUY. Hey, that's cool. No. SY Neofetch. Ha 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 ha. Cries. Neofetch. Arch Linux. Let's do this right. Neo fetch. Is it on screen? No. Arch Linux. A320M motherboard. And SSH, sure. A Ryzen 3 1200 with 4 threads. I think it's 2 cores and 4 threads. Oh, it's 4 cores, 4 threads. I don't think I can check that. NVIDIA GeForce 9400 GT and 60 gigabytes of RAM. Everything's there. Arch install. Yes, go download the newest Arch install script. Yes, mirrors, I don't care. Locals defined, that's fine. This configuration. Best effort, we want to use that. Butterfs. Yes, would you like to? Yes. No disk encryption, bootloader, grub, sure. Swap true. Hostname Arch Linux, root password. Okay, user account. Add a user, Lena. Should be a super user indeed. And confirm and exit. Profile. Type. Server. Don't need the cockpit. Don't need Docker. HTTPD, I don't need that. Light TPD, whatever that is. MariaDB, no. Oh! Yes, I want SSHD. Okay. Back. Kernels, Linux. Additional packages. Okay. Network configuration. Use network manager. That sounds fun. Time zone UTC. Automatic time sync true. Actually, let's put us in Europe. I think we can say Europe. Berlin. And oh man, the excitement. I kind of like watching Arch Linux install. It's kind of fun. Oh, you should probably look at the bottom of my screen again. I should just choose another lens, to be honest. That's wider angle. So you can see the whole screen at once, without me having to move the camera constantly. One interesting thing I have to consider is what I'll actually flash on this. So this is gonna become a NAS, which is obvious because what else would you do with a 1200? But I'm not sure what to do with it. Like, what do I put TrueNAS on there? It's like difficult. Difficult question indeed. No, I don't need that. I'll just reboot. So. This is going exceptionally well. Man. These power supplies are really strong. Okay. That's to Lena and the password that you don't get to know. And we're in. That's cool. Oh, you didn't. Okay. So, what now? It is working. It's amazing. Actually surprised. Now we have to put a SATA drive on there. So shut down now -H. Oh, it shut down quick. Okay, I suspect that this. Let's just do that. I suspect that this here is SATA 1. I hope this is SATA 1. And just like put in this drive here. There we go. No? Yes. There we go. So this is aligned perfectly. I'm still yelling because it was so loud. It just like blew my ears out. I should probably do this under the camera so you can like watch me screw in screws, which is so exciting. I can't hold back my excitement. I'll just screw in 2, you know? I don't think it's any use to screw in more screws than 2. I am of that opinion. Hot take, I know. This is... Does this have lights? I think this has status lights. But I'm confused because where would it get the power and stuff and the information? If you may focus now. Yeah, thank you. Very kind. Yes. Oh, one camera just stopped recording. That's great. The other one is at 6 minutes left. As long as the stream is working, I'm happy. Oh my god. Go in. Okay. That's in. Let's turn on the monstrosity again. If I can find a button. So, hopefully, this should just boot into the Arch Linux. It's booted into the Arch Linux. Let's switch to here again. And let's say /dev/sd. Okay, we don't have a ls/dev. Isn't registering, which might mean that this wasn't slot 1. But I don't think I'll figure that out today. I think this was enough being silly. And I'll just shut you down, and we'll see you next time. Same bad time, same... Okay, no, I'm not gonna do that. Bye!